Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we're off to Krakow, Poland. This enchanting city is brimming with history, culture, and those special moments that create lasting memories. As the former royal capital of Poland, Krakow wears its heritage with pride. You'll feel it as you wander through the cobblestone streets and gaze upon centuries-old architecture. Get ready to be charmed. Krakow is a city that invites you to slow down. Take your time to savor the atmosphere. Enjoy a cup of coffee in a market square. Listen to the clip-clop of horse-drawn carriages. Let's discover the magic of Krakow together. Our first stop is Krakow Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This historic area is a treasure trove of architectural wonders and cultural heritage, making it a must-visit destination for any traveler. This perfectly preserved medieval city center is a feast for the eyes. The buildings here tell stories of centuries past, with each facade offering a glimpse into the rich history of Krakow. It's a captivating maze of cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and hidden courtyards. As you wander through these narrow lanes, you'll discover charming little nooks and crannies that seem to transport you back in time. Every corner holds a new surprise. Whether it's a quaint cafe, a unique boutique, or a historical landmark, there's always something new to explore and enjoy. The heart of Old Town is Rynek Główny, the largest medieval market square in Europe. This bustling square has been the center of life in Krakow for centuries, and it continues to be a vibrant hub of activity today. Imagine merchants selling their wares here centuries ago. The square would have been filled with the sounds of haggling and the sights of colorful market stalls. Today, the square is lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops. It's the perfect place to sit and enjoy a meal or a drink while watching the world go by. It's a great place to soak up the atmosphere. The lively ambiance, combined with the historical backdrop, creates a unique and unforgettable experience. Another must-see is the Cloth Hall, a Renaissance-era trading hall that now houses souvenir stalls. This iconic building has been a center of commerce for centuries and remains a bustling marketplace today. It's a great place to find a special memento of your trip. From traditional crafts to modern keepsakes, there's something for everyone. Look for the iconic arcades and the attic with its distinctive pattern of windows. These architectural details are a testament to the craftsmanship and artistry of the past, adding to the charm and allure of Krakow Old Town. No trip to Krakow is complete without a visit to Wawel Hill. This strategic hill overlooking the Vistula River has been the seat of Polish power for centuries. Here, you'll find the magnificent Wawel Royal Castle, a stunning example of Renaissance architecture. Explore the castle's opulent chambers, each with a story to tell. Admire the Polish crown jewels, and don't miss the Wawel Cathedral, where Polish kings and queens were crowned and laid to rest. Wawel Hill is also a great place to enjoy panoramic views of Krakow. Take a moment to reflect on the city's rich history and imagine the events that unfolded here. Our journey takes us now to Kazimierz, the historic Jewish quarter. Once a separate city, Kazimierz is now a vibrant district with a unique atmosphere. It's a place where Jewish heritage blends seamlessly with modern-day life. Explore the district's synagogues, each with its own story to tell. Discover hidden courtyards and charming cafes, and be sure to sample some traditional Jewish cuisine. Kazimierz is a place of remembrance, resilience, and renewal. It's a reminder of the city's multicultural past and the enduring spirit of its people. Our next stop is a somber one, but an essential part of understanding Krakow's history. Schindler's Factory, now a museum, tells the story of Oskar Schindler, a German businessman who saved the lives of over 1,200 Jews during the Holocaust. Through artifacts, photographs, and personal accounts, the museum brings to life the horrors of the Holocaust and the bravery of those who resisted. Prepare to be moved by the stories of courage, resilience, and the power of human kindness. A visit to Schindler's Factory is a reminder of the importance of tolerance, compassion, and standing up for what is right. Section 6. St. Mary's Basilica, a beacon of faith and beauty. Let's lift our spirits now with a visit to St. Mary's Basilica, one of Krakow's most iconic landmarks. This stunning Gothic church dominates the main market square with its soaring towers and ornate interior. Step inside and be awestruck by the magnificent altarpiece carved by Veit Stoss. Listen for the hourly trumpet call known as the Hejnal Mariaki, a tradition dating back centuries. It's a moment that will stay with you long after you leave. St. Mary's Basilica is a testament to the faith and artistry of the Polish people. It's a place of peace, reflection, and breathtaking beauty. Section 7. Beyond the city walls, unforgettable day trips. Krakow, a city rich in history and culture, offers an abundance of attractions within its walls. However, the true magic lies in the adventures that await just beyond the city limits. While Krakow offers a wealth of attractions, there are also incredible day trips within easy reach. These excursions provide a deeper understanding of the region's history, culture, and natural beauty, making them perfect for those looking to explore more. One such trip is to Auschwitz-Birkenau, a stark reminder of the horrors of the Holocaust. Located about an hour's drive from Krakow, this site stands as a testament to the atrocities committed during World War II. A visit to this former concentration and extermination camp is a deeply moving experience. Walking through the grounds, seeing the remnants of the barracks, and hearing the stories of those who suffered here leaves an indelible mark on all who visit. It serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of remembrance, tolerance, and the fight against all forms of hatred. The memorial plaques and monuments scattered throughout the site honor the memory of the victims and urge us to never forget. For a different kind of experience, head to the Wawel salt mine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Just a short drive from Krakow, this underground marvel offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of salt mining. Descend deep into the earth and marvel at the salt-carved chapels, chambers, and even a cathedral. The intricate carvings and sculptures, all made from salt, are a testament to the skill and artistry of the miners who created them. It's a truly unique and unforgettable experience. The Wawel salt mine is not just a historical site, but a journey into a subterranean world where every corner reveals a new wonder. From the shimmering salt formations to the Grand Cathedral, it's a place that captivates and inspires. Section 8. A taste of Poland. Culinary delights await. No trip to Krakow is complete without experiencing its delicious cuisine. Polish food is hearty, flavorful, and perfect for warming you up on a chilly day. Be sure to try pierogi, dumplings filled with savory or sweet fillings. Warm up with Zurich, a sour rye soup served in a bread bowl. And for a quick snack, grab an obwarzanek krakowski, a bagel-like bread sold from street vendors. Wash it all down with a glass of kompot, a traditional Polish fruit drink. And of course, no trip to Poland is complete without trying Polish vodka. It's best enjoyed neat and chilled. Na zdrowie. Section 9. Essential tips for your Krakow adventure. Here are a few tips to make your trip to Krakow a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, these insights will help you navigate the city like a local and make the most of your stay. The best time to visit is in the shoulder seasons, spring or fall, when the weather is mild and the crowds are smaller. During these times, you can enjoy the city's beauty without the hustle and bustle of peak tourist season. The blooming flowers in spring and the colorful leaves in autumn add a magical touch to your experience. Getting around Krakow is easy. The city is designed to be tourist-friendly, with clear signage and helpful locals. Whether you're walking or using public transportation, you'll find it convenient to explore all the major attractions. The city center is compact and walkable. You can easily spend a day wandering through the charming streets of the old town, discovering hidden gems, and soaking in the rich history and culture that Krakow has to offer. Trams and buses are also available. They are efficient and cover most parts of the city, making it easy to reach even the more distant attractions. Don't forget to purchase your tickets in advance or at the machines available at most stops. The currency is the Polish zloty. It's a good idea to have some cash on hand for small purchases, although credit cards are widely accepted in most places. You'll find ATMs readily available throughout the city, so withdrawing cash is convenient. Just be mindful of any foreign transaction fees your bank might charge. While English is widely spoken, learning a few basic Polish phrases will enhance your experience. Simple greetings and polite expressions can go a long way in making connections with the locals and showing your appreciation for their culture. Most importantly, come with an open mind and a sense of adventure. Krakow is a city full of surprises, from its vibrant art scene to its delicious cuisine. Be ready to try new things and immerse yourself in the local way of life. Krakow is a city that will captivate your heart and leave you wanting more. Its blend of history, culture, and modernity creates a unique atmosphere that is both welcoming and intriguing. Do widzenia from Krakow, and we hope to see you again soon.